Today I am going to show you how to make a bouquet at home. So to make the flowers I have taken A4 size color papers. To make the flowers I have cut out some circles from the paper. For bigger circles I have taken 10 cm as diameter, and for smaller circles I have taken 6 cm as diameter. Next you have to draw a spiral design starting from the center of the circle as I have shown in the video. So after drawing, this is how it looks. Next you have to cut the paper through the lines which you have drawn. Cut off the sharp edge of the paper and start rolling the paper as I have shown in the video. After rolling the papers, you will get a small flower like this. Now you can stick these papers easily with the help of a glue. Here our flower is ready, so the same way you can make remaining flowers. I have made 5 flowers to make the small bouquet. To make the stem and leaves you need green color A4 sheet. Next you have to cut out some pieces of paper to make the stem. To make the stem you need a toothpick. So using the toothpick you have to slowly roll the paper as I am doing in the video. When you are about to reach the end of the paper, you can apply some glue and stick the paper. So the stem is ready now. Using a scissor you have to trim off the uneven portion at top, and next you have to give 4 cuts as I have shown in the video. After cutting with the help of your fingers, you can slowly bend the paper as I am doing in the video. Again apply glue on top and slowly you can place the flower on top of this green color paper. To make the leaf you have to fold the paper as I have shown in the video. Next you have to draw a pattern of leaf on the paper which you have folded. After drawing you can cut out the leaves with the help of scissors. Using a toothpick you can slowly roll the sharp edge of the leaf. We are doing this to give a good shape to the leaf. You can stick the leaves on the stem with the help of glue. The same way you can make leaves for the remaining flowers too. So here I have done making leaves for all the roses. Next you need a transparent sheet like this to make the bouquet. Next you have to arrange the flowers on the transparent sheet as I am doing. After arranging the flowers with the help of the sellotape, you can fix them on the transparent sheet. Next, you have to fold the transparent sheet from one corner towards the stem and then stick the end with the sellotape. The same way you can fold the opposite side of the sheet. You need few white beads like this to decorate the bouquet. You can simply insert the beads inside the bouquet. I am using a satin ribbon to make a bow on the bouquet. The satin ribbon is too soft, so sometimes if you make bow on the bouquet, it will fall down easily. So I am using a two-side tape to secure the satin ribbon on the bouquet. Next, you can place the bouquet on the two-side tape which you have sticked on the ribbon and slowly press the bouquet. Next, you have to put a knot and then you have to tie the bow for the bouquet. After tying the bow, you can cut off the excess ribbon and shape the edges. So the beautiful bouquet is ready now.